Hi, I'm Matt Perry with Perry Window Cleaning. We're showing you some before and after pictures of some of our work that we do. We are looking for someone to hire with a good attitude. You have to pass a background check. Even something as simple as a DUI gets it turned down. It's a strict background check. So if that's you and you can pass, great. It involves ladder work, as you see in some of these pictures. It's not easy work, but we do take good care of you. We try to be the kind of person to work for that you want to work for. We use the latest equipment. This is a purified water system you're seeing here, and we try to do a better job than any other window cleaner in our area. This is my son-in-law Dewey doing a gutter cover install on a garage while the rest of the crew is cleaning out some leaves. Enjoy this, and my daughter Angela is taking the video. It is a family business, but more than family works for us. A lot of friends that work for us that are like family. I'm making this short video and posting it on the website in hopes of finding some good qualified people. We are looking for one or two more at this time, at the time of the making of this video. We start at $11 an hour, and there's other incentives as well, which we can talk about during the interview. Hopefully you're that right person with the great attitude that we're looking for.
I don't think ours has blue tie strings. I think that's hers.
It's her bag.
That's her bag. It's her bag.
Well, dude, slow down.
Woo, windy.
Hey, man, stop blowing.
It says, in your face.
The answer, my friend, is not blowing in that wind.
I am taking video, by the way.
Huh?
The gutter install you're seeing, the gutter cover install, is not a very common
Yeah, they just
thing.
shoved them
We
up
do
in
it
the
once in
shingles
a
and
while,
screwed them to
but
the
not
edge.
often.
There's
But
screw
the
holes to
reason I
screw them to
use
the back
this
wall, but they
video,
didn't do it.
is because you can hear the attitude and the good time that they have while they're working together, even though it's hard work.
30 seconds, I'll have a drill for you.
Okay. And I need somebody to get that little part right there. There's still some stuff there. Right here. Just this small part. And there's a tiny little bit of stuff right there. It's out of my reach.
That's the thing, it's cheap gutter garbage.
This is my office, and with some exceptions, but we show up at 8 o'clock every morning. You come in through this garage door entrance, and you can see the vehicles out here, our purified water making system that few window cleaners have. We're the only ones in Clark County because of the expense of it, and a lot don't invest in it. But it's paid us well because it's more than earned its keep. These are the vehicles. We provide the transportation. You just get to work at 8 o'clock a.m. most days. Off work will vary. The schedule is start at 8 o'clock and done when the jobs are done. And sometimes jobs get added during the course of the day. We keep very busy during a good 9 or 10 months of season. And the wintertime, we have some incentives and things going on. We have some bonus programs, some things to make things good for you. In addition to your starting pay at $11 an hour, and raises can come down the road as your skills develop. Hi, I'm Matt Perry. Now here's some excerpts from our Meet the Crew on our website. I've been in business since 2003. And it was after a job loss. Had a friend taught me how to clean the windows, and I haven't looked back since. The business just kept growing. I was treating customers like they were family, and it's just made the business grow, and tried to pride myself on giving the top service, using the best equipment, and being top in our area as far as window cleaners. And it has paid off. I've got several employees now. They do a fantastic job. My knees don't like ladders anymore, but I have to delegate anyway because we got so busy. And I thank you in Springfield, Ohio area, and we do a surrounding area about an hour's drive around Springfield, Ohio. And we appreciate your business and or possible future business if you haven't given us a try yet. We thank you and appreciate you watching the video. Thanks.
Utilizing 100% pure water cleaning, Perry Window Cleaning is the name to trust when you want your windows to sparkle. Residential or commercial, we can clean windows, skylights, solariums, mirrors, even glass canopies and chandeliers. Our state-of-the-art system and expert team make the difference. Ask us about gutter cleaning too. We're known for our spotless reputation and attention to detail. Serving locally since 2003, call us and put our experience to work for you.
Started out, he hired me when I got laid off. I've enjoyed everything I've done. I've done restaurant work, done factory work. This is the best job I've had, and I enjoy working for Matt.
Hello, I'm Angela Farmer. I've been washing windows for my dad for 12 years. I enjoy what I do, and we also clean gutters and chandeliers.
Hi, my name is Sarah Brink, and I've been working with Perry Window Cleaning for about 6 months, and I really like doing the water fed on houses and traditional on commercial accounts. This is the best job I've ever had, and thank you.
Hello, I'm Timmy. My other name is Timothy. I've worked with Matt since December of 2019. I really enjoy the work, especially outside with the water fed system. It's an interesting, innovative technology that I'm glad to have the benefit of using in my career path. I've worked inside of homes since I was younger. I enjoy cleaning, and Matt has been a joy to work for. His crew treats me like family, and this has been an experience, and I'm blessed to have been along with the ride. Thank you. I hope to be on the front lines cleaning your windows soon. Have a nice day.
Now a little bit about the work. We not only clean windows, we also get on ladders, we clean chandeliers, we clean skylights, we get on roofs to get up to dormer windows to clean. We also clean out rain gutters. We also on occasion install leaf gutter protection. which involves learning to set up ladders, climbing ladders, moving ladders. Uh, we can teach you the safety things, but if you've got a serious fear of heights, this may not be for you. But ladder work is involved. We try to avoid it when we can. We've got, as I've mentioned earlier, the latest equipment. We have a purified water system. We can clean windows up to 4 stories high from the ground on certain windows, about 90% of them. But there are some windows that we're just going to plain have to climb the ladder. The biggest ladder we've got is a 32-foot ladder. It's kind of heavy and awkward to move around, but it holds its ground. It sits nice and steady, and if you set it up properly, you're going to be safe. We don't want someone overconfident and do foolish things on a ladder, obviously. So a healthy fear is good. But you may involve ladder work. You may be expected to climb and get it done, and it won't be your first day unless you've had some ladder experience already, which that's helpful. If you're already experienced with the ladder, you've done some roofing or carpentry work or something that involved climbing ladders on a regular basis, setting them up, you've got a head start on that already. So that's what we're looking for. It is a physical job. Yeah, if you've seen a window cleaner at a storefront or a gas station or a restaurant that's skilled, they make that job look easy. Oh, I'd like that job. It just looks like so much fun. Well, there's a lot of skill behind that you don't see that makes it look easy. Kind of like a professional basketball player. He hits that shot 90% of the time. He's taken a lot of time, a lot of practice, years of work to make that look easy. I can't hit a basket for anything. But anyway, it does take skill, and we can teach you the skills. We just need you to bring the attitude, the work ethic, and know that it is hard work. It's not a cushy job. All right. I've been talking long enough, and it feels awkward not having a human across the table from me to, answer the questions and ask the questions. But this is part of our weeding out process. If you're still watching at this point, you can pass a background check. You're not afraid of hard work. You can bring a positive attitude and get along well with others. This may be for you, and I would like to talk to you. And as a possibility for hiring, and you're not locked in, but during the interview, if you get the right person or one we want to talk to during that interview, we'll actually put a squeegee in your hand and give you a chance to show us what you can do. Then we'll give you some instruction and see if you can improve, and we'll know by watching with our experience if you're one of those that will be able to catch on and get it and get down the skills that we can share with you. So at this point, we are going to put on the screen how to contact us, and then I will follow up with you and we will go from there. In the meantime, we've been showing videos and pictures of work as we do. We're usually busy working, not busy making videos. I wish I had more to show you about how the whole work day goes from beginning to end, but we're busy working instead of taking videos. So anyway, if you'd like to learn more, if you think this is for you, you want to be a part of our team, it's a family business, but we have some exciting things going on, and those that are the right fit love the job. So anyway, I'll post on there, and hopefully you're our next new employee joining the team, our new apprentice window cleaner.